Here is a very good question on coordination chemistry. And the question is, the color of the complex compound depends upon crystal field splitting. What will be the correct order of absorption of wavelength of light in visible region for complexes? Three complexes are given here, there, and if we look at these complexes carefully, we find these are all ionic complexes where the central metal atom is cobalt. One of the complexes CONH36 tripositive, COCN6, of course, tri-negative, and COH2O6 3 positive. Now these complexes will show different colors due to splitting of the energies, and the energy, higher the energy, more will be the splitting, and depending upon it, we have to arrange the given complexes in the increasing order of their crystal field energy, and we have to recall the increasing order of the crystal field energy as shown here, and make out the situation or the position of the CN negative, cyanide negative, also NH3 and H2O. If you look at here, we can very easily make out the increasing order of energies which is given out due to crystal field splitting. And then finally we know that energy is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the light in the visible region. And accordingly, we have to arrange these different complexes which will represent the absorption of wavelength of light in visible region. So we can make out the answer correctly. And here are certain details which would help you a lot regarding the crystal field splitting. And as I have already mentioned, delta E is equal to Hc upon lambda, or you can say delta E, that is the energy given out, will be proportional to, inversely proportional to the lambda, that is the wavelength, or lambda will be equal to inversely proportional to the energy released. So it can be inferred, and accordingly we can again review the increasing order of different ligands as a result of CFSE, crystal field splitting, and we find that the correct order of the wavelength of the light would be represented by the option C, that is COH2O6 3 positive is greater than CONH36 3 positive, which is again greater than COCN6 3 negative. Crystal field splitting increases, wavelength of the absorbed light in visible region decreases. That is known to us, and accordingly, if you look at the question again, we find that the correct answer is at option C. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe to this channel.